Hi guys, here's a cooking tutorial of how to make a kid cuisine. I just got out of the shower, that's why my hair's like this. Don't worry about it. So first you wanna do this. I'm making a video. And then you wanna open it from the side, of course. And then you want to remove the film from the chicken nuggets. Just like this. And that's it. You want to remove the sprinkles and the chicken nuggets. Yeah, shockers. But you're supposed to, so don't worry. It's okay, it's just some thing. I don't know what it's called again. I'm gonna put this in for 1 minute in your microwave. And you want to literally destroy the sprinkles by crushing them. It makes it better. By the time you're done, it should look something like this. I'm gonna be actually gonna do it more. So this is what you should have. Or something like that. Once you're done, you should have like 15 seconds on the microwave. Three, two, one. Once you're done, take it out. You're not done with the microwave. Replace chicken nuggets. And no, they're not dino nuggies, sadly. Then I'll put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Or 2:15. I'm going to be doing 2:30. My microwave is not letting it do that. What? Guys, wait a second. Once you're done, sorry. I have my thing open, that's why. So grab yourself a drink, because we're going to be waiting for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. See when it's done? Once you're done, you just want to like careful, it's really hot. Whew. Don't worry, I didn't hurt myself. Don't worry about me. Once you've done that, do you know what time it is? Make sure to throw away. If you're in Arizona, I bet you can literally cook this stuff in summertime outside. but the real sun. Nothing. And voila, you guys have a tasty, yummy snack. Or meal. I don't know. Love you. Bye.